An electric current is measured as the rate of flow of charge. So as an equation, that is current is equal to the charge transferred divided by the time taken. And as symbols, that is I equals Q divided by T. The time taken is measured in seconds, and the charge transferred is measured in coulombs. The current is measured in amps. So an electric current of 1 ampere, or A, is the electric current that transfers 1 coulomb, or C, of charge in 1 second, or S. This equation, along with most equations for your exam, are given on your formula sheet in both word and algebraic form, so you're only expected to know how to use it and what units to give the quantities in. Let's have a look at an example. A lamp in a circuit has 64 coulombs of charge passed through it in 16 seconds. Calculate the electric current flowing through the lamp. So for the first step, let's write down the key information and check the units. The charge transferred is 64 coulombs. The time taken is 16 seconds. And we want to calculate the current. For step 2, let's substitute the charge transferred and the time taken into the equation for current that we've learnt. So the current is equal to 64 coulombs divided by 16 seconds, giving us 4 amps of current flowing through the lamp. Let's have a look at another example. A 12 amp current flows through a resistor. Calculate the charge that flows through the resistor in 5 seconds. So for the first step again, let's write down the key information and check the units. The current is equal to 12 amps. And the time taken is equal to 5 seconds. We want to calculate the charge transferred. So it's really important that we check our units as we go through the question to make sure we don't lose marks in our final answer, even if we use the right method. So for step 2, let's rearrange the current charge equation to make charge the subject. Now we can do that by multiplying both sides of the equation by time taken. And then we end up with charge transferred is equal to the current multiplied by the time taken. Then for step 3, let's substitute the values into the rearranged formula. The charge transferred is equal to 12 amps multiplied by 5 seconds, and that gives us 60 coulombs of charge transferred.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!